Yeah. Saint, turn my volume up, man. Yo. This is dedicated to everybody dying of cancer, everybody paralyzed from the neck down, every single mother, every homeless person. If you on your deathbed tonight, understand, listen, man. I know you suffering, and everything you up against, it feels like bad to worse and worse to bad feeling. You done gave everything that you had, but listen, yeah, you know he died for you. Stretched his arms so wide and he cried for you. So everything that you up against, just understand, he knows you suffering. Sometimes we don't size what's left can fall. At times don't realize how blessed we are. With your rings, how you flossing it, but it's time to think about those less fortunate. Though my mind is twisted, my hands and my palms is lifted to the skyline, praying inside to God for his guideline. Make a way for the broken to stop smoking. Left dead in a crack house with their mouth open. I talk to myself in the dark, praying for a world that's blind, looking to find and trying to walk, falling for that mother laying over the coffin. For a child at 16 but died with a sick dream. I know that the pain